have a damage repair bond support mask. I do not have an example of that. It is for all hair types, but it's for damage, breakage, and split ends. It has the Rejuva beads, and it's coconut infused, but it's basically like a repair mask that deeply conditions and treats hair from the inside out. It easily envelops strand for nutritive conditioning and instantly bonding hair while strengthening and repairing. Reduces hair breakage and instantly hydrates the hair.